Guys, I don't even have the strength to stand up straight. I can't even breathe. I don't know if I should pull it down or pull it up from the front. I can't even make like big strides. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're keeping safe. Yeah, and today I'm back again with another interesting video. Kama kawaida, you guys. So first of all, I don't know what's up with the day today. I have shot this intro. I think this is the 8th time. Like every time I'm shooting the intro, there's someone banging the door. My daughter walks in. There's someone who's welding outside. So I don't know. And then I just connected my ring light on the socket and then imeburn. Like I don't even know how that even happened. Now it has like a black part. So today guys, disclaimer or whatever, warning, I don't know. So just know that today the lighting is not going to be good because I don't even know what just happened to my ring light. I don't know. So I'm just using natural lighting. So mkiona juu imekaa imepotea, it's not my fault. I'm going to get it fixed if possible tomorrow. If not, I think I'll have to plan myself on buying a new ring light. I don't even know imechomeka aje. Like I always. So today I'm doing a closet clean out and I could not change the day because I have to plan and schedule like a day for me to do this because it takes like, let's say, half a day to a full day. Like you have to plan like I think around 4 hours for you to do this. So I do this every end of the year where I clean out the closet. I remove the outfits I don't use anymore, give them out to charity or anyone who feels like they need an item. And then today I'm doing a very special edition of what was I thinking when I bought this item. So I have a lot of clothes that I have bought from the streets, Ngara, sana Nairobi streets in Legekomba, that you know, last time when you buy something and you think it looks really good and then when you get home you're like, guy, what was I thinking, you know? So today I want to try out those outfits that I have worn once or not even worn at all, because when I came home and fitted them on, I was like, no, I can't put this on, or maybe it's small or it's big. And then you can tell me on the comment sections, sections, how many sections do I have? You can tell me on the comment section what you think, if I can keep it or not. So I want to open my closet. Please guys, no judgment. No judgment about this closet, because this week we have been so busy. So we've been pulling, you know, that pulling a t-shirt out of the other tees, and then everything gets messed up, and then you're so in a hurry you can't even plan anything. So please, no judgment on the closet. I know it looks crazy, but I'm going to declutter it and arrange it all over again. Sawa. All right, let's do this. Whoa. So today the lighting is so bad, but I'm sorry guys, I didn't plan for my ring light to burn in the morning. So this card drawer here is where we put our innerwears. I'm not going to open it, of course. And then here we have a lot of jackets and blazers, and then jeans at the center. And then I don't know what these denims are doing here. This denims at a denims. Bad. So I don't know what these denims are doing here. And then we have shirts and the suit. So this suit is my hubby's suit. He wore it at my sister's wedding. It's the first time he wore a suit, and it was the last time he wore it, so it's still brand new. It's still there. And then down here on the folded section is where I have my tops. So these are my tops that I cannot be able to hang. They're not hangable like the chiffon tops and etc that you can't hang. And then here are our tees. Like 98% of them are my hubby's tees because he wears tees a lot. Behind the tees over there we have the hoodies, the sweaters, the sweatshirts, also at the corner. So at the corner I have old dresses that I don't put on anymore. And then here we have bed sheets. Oh my god, bed sheets and spare towels. And then here I also have a few tops. Here at the corner there I have two skirts that I don't even wear, don't even know why I bought them. And then here I have my two spags, those two small spag tops and vests. They stay here, but I need to change everything here all over again.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Done, and this is the whole pile that's for keeps. All this, so it's not much because I feel like come next year I feel like I need to change my wardrobe, which I was planning to do this year, but I didn't manage to do it. And then on this side, this other pile is for throwing away. Most of them, I don't like giving out outfits that are old and don't look good. So I'm going to sort them out, and then the rest is going to be for charity. And then I want to show you guys some outfits that I don't know why I even bought them. I don't think I have ever worn it, and if I have, I think it's once, probably. So I don't know, you guys. Do you think I should keep this or not? It fits really well, but I can't like see that it's a bit tight. But when I'm relaxed, it fits really well. So I don't know. It will tell me, guys, if I should keep it or not. So I don't like this. I bought these outfits when I was working my former job. So this is how it looks from the back, and then from the front. I don't like this. I don't even, why did I buy this? I don't like this. Can you guys see this? And then it has like this key sweater. You see this key sweater? Oh, and then and then the worst thing about this blazer, the reason why I hate it so much, is this. You see this? Akina chukia. I really hate hizi mablazer. We call them songa ni nyambe, songa ni nyambe. Next up is this one. I feel like this looks like my grandfather's coat. Look at this, guys. I don't know what I was thinking. Look, I don't like this at all. First of all, it's too long. The sleeves are too long. Also very long. No, I don't know if I should pull it down or pull it up. So this dress, we had gone shopping with my sis, and then I forced her to take this dress. She wore it to a wedding, and then she was like, after that, chukua nguo yako, I don't want it anymore. So I have never worn this dress. What do you think? I don't know. I think this looks pretty good. I don't know. What do you guys think? But I'm not comfortable with it. I'm not. I think I'll have to buy something that just a neck piece or something. I don't know. Guys, I don't even have the strength to stand up straight. So first of all, I love this dress. I really like it, but I don't know why I bought it, because it's clearly too short for me to wear. I don't have the confidence to wear it outside. Like, okay. First of all, there is makeup here, and then I have my waist trainer on. I'm not comfortable, you guys. So this is how the dress looks from the front to the back. It's so short. I'm so uncomfortable. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this dress. I don't know what I was thinking, because I clearly can't wear it. I don't know, but I really like it. I don't know if I should get a fundi to like extend it. I don't know. And then its fabric is really good. It's a stretcher. But I think I have to give it out, because there is no way I'm walking out in this dress. No way. No. Guys, I'm losing weight. I can't believe that this pants fit. I have never ever worn these pants. They're absolutely new, so I wanted to wear them and then tell you guys, like, this is what happens when you buy pants on the streets and then you come and at home and they don't fit you. So I have been wearing them, but they're still a bit tight. But the zipper like these pants, the material is really good, and then they're stretcher, not that stretcher, but they stretch just a little bit, so inashikilia vizuri. And then so this is how the back looks. So here you can see I have some, so I need to lose a bit more weight for me to fit, but the fact that imefungana, I used to wear this trouser and it could come up to here, like the fly could fika like this point of my thighs, but the fact that imepanda hadi juu, I can't even breathe. So this top is brand new. I have never worn it. I think the reason as to why I bought it is because of this. See this here? I think this is why I bought this. And then the fact that it's mustard. I love such colors, like the mustard, the nude, peach. I love such colors. So I don't know if I can wear it. It's a bit tight, but it's a stretcher material. And tell me, guys, what do you think about this top? I don't know. No. Don't mind the creases. So I'm wondering, why have I never worn this top? I feel like it fits me really well, and it's comfortable. And then I love this, showing off a little bit. So that's the back. What do you think? Do you like this, guys? Or I don't know. I had this season when I was seriously into old school outfits. Kinda cool with the pants. I don't like the leg. The right leg is a bit tight. It's tighter than the other. Like, I don't know if you can see how tight it is. And then this other one, it's quite loose. So every time I'm walking, I can't even make like big strides, because the more you move your leg, the tighter it becomes. And I don't know who even makes an outfit without measuring it. Like, do they expect me to have like two legs that are not proportional? I don't know. But I'm thinking that it's an official kind of look. It looks quite good. What do you guys think? But the pants also, here, you see this, the fly area, this area, no, it has too much, all this excess fabric that they could have used on the right leg. And then also there's these two bows that No, these pants are no, no, no. And then the material is not good. This material is not good. The fabric is not, it's not even comfortable wearing it. So guys, I'm now done, and that is how the space looks. So you can see there is a lot of space over there, and it looks more neat and more organized. So just a few tips if you're planning on doing this also. At the corner there I have the least worn clothes, and then here I have the sweatshirts and the hoodies that we least wear maybe when it's cold, so they're at the back kabisa. So at the front here I have all my hubby's tees, and then I have my tops over here. So I've put his items where he can pick them, because he's not the kind of guy who's going to spend time in the wardrobe at looking for items. He just comes in, picks a tee and picks a bottom, and then he goes. So on the right here, on the left, sorry, I have a lot of jackets. At the middle, I know I didn't follow like the how you're supposed to arrange, but I just did what works for us. So he just comes in and picks his pants and a tee, and he goes, leaving my wardrobe looking intact. So I've put all my stuff at the far end. So here I have my tops, a few tops that I just pick and go. My pick and go items are here and here. So here I have a few vests and inner tops. There I have the blankies and the towels and pillowcases at the top. Here we have our PJs, and yeah, my quick to go tops. So at the top, because it doesn't wear a lot of shirts, there are a few shirts there, a few denims here, but I have placed them like mbili inside because of space. Then this is another like denim and more denim, so I have reduced on the denims, and then at the center you have the pants and the jacket. So that's basically it, and I think it looks much more better and much more organized. Yeah, so I had to fold them kabisa and compress them because of space. As you can see, our closet is not that big, so I need to keep on decluttering every now and then so that it can look neat. Hey guys, so I am done for the day, and I want to end this video right about now because it's starting to get dark, and as I told you, I don't have a light. It got burnt, so I still have this big pile here. So I still have this big pile of clothes that I need to sort out, which I'm going to do after finishing the outro. And yeah, that's about it. I hope this gave you motivation to clear out your closet, and those items that you don't use, there's someone who can really use them. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, because we're on the road to 20k subscribers by the end of the year. So that's it for today, guys. I love you so much, but don't forget that Jesus loves you more. Mwah!